Yakatega project lawan rada community and rural development haring kat ka jenatray lang bat ka infrastructure finance company foundation kum shibanta ka project trekam jongka blate pung corporate social responsibility. Hakatega singila don lang ru ukirian Thomas president ka ITFC Foundation New Delhi nang tau RM Mishra Development Commissioner Kamiglaya uba ti lingwa director knar SIRD badru uba bante lang rumnong deputy director ka SIRD nalor kiwe kentup lang ikinong ilam shnong. Yakite kisolalay lawan man play da principal secretary katnat UKN Kumar katkum ka jing thu jong u kite kisolalay kin penthaba yakite kathan katkum ka jingla tan bor jong ki na kasngi.
And why Mawlynnong? Because for one, it is God's own garden. And even God's own garden also requires street lights. So therefore, street lights are required here. That is number one. And number two, thousands of visitors are coming from all over the country to visit this village. So it's very important that they feel secure, they feel safe. And the third thing, which is the most important thing, is that already Mawlynnong has branded itself as the cleanest village in Asia. Now, any tourist who comes here to the cleanest village of Asia will have a certain expectation that its technologies are clean, its people are warm and hospitable.